Hey, my name is Mike Milligan. I'm a certified financial planner and have been working in the Mid-Atlantic region for over 20 years, helping clients like you with strategies that both help save on tax dollars but get above average investment returns. I'm happy to introduce you to a Roth conversion strategy today. Take a look at what follows in the next 3.5 minutes, and then let's set a time to see when I can help you save tax dollars for the future, pass more to your family, and ultimately get the most in tax-free retirement we can. I look forward to talking to you soon.
Welcome to another episode of Smart Retirement Planning. In today's episode, you'll learn about a powerful tax strategy called a Roth IRA conversion. Warning, your income taxes may be rising. Given the size of the federal government's budget deficit, the likelihood of future stimulus spending, and the election of Joe Biden, who wants to raise taxes on high earners, rising taxes seem like a safe bet. Roth IRA conversions protect you against rising taxes. Let's look at an example of how they work. Kurt and Connie are 57 years old. Their advisor estimates that they'll have around $1 million in assets when they retire at age 67. What should Kurt and Connie know about a Roth IRA? The traditional IRA is tax-deferred, meaning that taxes are due when funds are distributed. The Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars. Roth IRAs grow tax-free, and no taxes are due on Roth distributions. This option sounds pretty good to Kurt and Connie because they plan to live off their Social Security and investments. And when they do start spending from their IRAs, they like the fact that it will be tax-free. Can Kurt and Connie convert their current IRAs to a Roth IRA? The tax code specifically allows you to convert from a traditional IRA to a Roth. You will owe taxes on the amount you convert. All Roth IRA withdrawals are tax-free as long as you are 59.5 or older and have owned a Roth for at least 5 years. The trade-off is simple. Pay some taxes today and receive tax-free growth and tax-free income for life. Rising income tax rates make this very attractive. Pay less tax and leave more legacy. Kurt and Connie decide to convert $50,000 a year for the next 5 years. Here's how they benefit. Over their lifetimes, Kurt and Connie will pay less income tax. They pay $411,255 in taxes if they don't convert, versus $238,434 if they do convert. They save $172,821. They save even more when income taxes rise. Plus, they will leave more legacy for their family. Even if they both live to age 100, they would leave $288,247 to their family after the conversion, and just $87,779 if they don't. Their family gets $200,468 more with a Roth conversion. Now, let's see how a Roth conversion could help you pay less tax and leave more for your family.